Hi, my name is Bob Caputo and I'm with Atom Audio USA. I'd like to thank Vintage King for this opportunity to talk with you for a moment today about Atom. Globally, Atom is a Berlin-based company, and we in the United States represent their products here. I like to describe Atom as a truly engineering-driven company for a very simple reason. Our owner, founder, and current CEO, Klaus Heinz, is also our chief designer. So the man who makes the products, imagines the products, our true visionary, is the man who runs the company. When we make changes in our product line, we make it because that man has felt we can do something better than we've done it in the past, and we're obligated to bring it to you in the marketplace. Atom's signature technology is our XART tweeter. Now, the XART tweeter is actually an air motion transformer based largely on the work of Dr. Oscar Heil. It's a folded diaphragm in front of a neodymium element. The result of that is that you achieve a 1 in, 4 out air transfer, thus allowing us to achieve higher frequencies, in the case of the XART tweeter, 50 kilohertz. And also, because it's backed by a neodymium element, it doesn't have the volatility that would normally be found with a ribbon tweeter, but you still do get the performance. So, of course, the question may arise, 50 kilohertz, why would that be necessary? Well, regardless of the ability of anyone's ability to hear, engineer, producer, or in fact, end user hearing it at home, the frequency and harmonic content of any given sound has a great deal to do with what that sound's timbre and consequently personality is. So yes, it's important to have the frequency capability. We drive that air motion transformer, our XART tweeter, with our own AB amplifier, and its ability is up to 300 kilohertz. As you move to our lower frequency drivers, those are all powered by D-class or PWM amplifiers. We utilize those because they don't require heat sinks, and also weight is a consideration, especially when you get to the higher power modules. Now, Atom is split into 2 series. The entry-level series is our AX series, and it's comprised of the A3X, 5X, 7X, which is our most popular model, the 8X, and our new A77X with a double woofer design. One thing that the folks who use Atom will tell you now and will tell you in the future is that Atom sounds like Atom, sounds like Atom. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that even when you enter the brand at our entry-level point of an A3X, what brought you to Atom in the first place, the transparency of the design and execution of the product, remains true from that entry-level A3X all the way up to our S6X soffit mount mains, and in everything in between. The result is that as a professional user, the tool that you've chosen in Atom will remain that tool and give you that performance and capability all the way through your career. And that is why many project studios begin with Atoms, and as they grow in their business capability and success, move on to our SX series. Now right here you see the S3XH, which is in fact our most popular model in the SX series. The S3XH utilizes the XART tweeter that I described a moment ago. We've added a 4-inch mid-range as well as 2 low-frequency 7-inch drivers. The power capabilities of this cabinet are 250-watt modules on each of these cone drivers and a 50-watt module, that AB amplifier, analog amplifier that I mentioned a moment ago, driving the high frequency for total power capability, RMS, of 800 watts in the S3XH. Now we begin this series with an S1X for smaller footprints in control rooms, and go all the way up through the S6X mains that I described a moment ago. So, again, I'll reiterate. Once you move into the Atom product line, you are operating on a product. You're using a tool that's designed by the gentleman who owns and drives the company. Also, the transparency, which is the design and production philosophy that makes Atom what it is, stays true at our entry level and remains true all the way through the product line. So that when you begin and trust and use as a tool in your work an Atom-powered monitor, it's a tool that you can continue to work with and trust all the way through your career and success. And I'll leave you today wishing you that success, and we look forward to going there with you. Thank you.